Hello, good morning everyone. Solution of question number 8. List of two models of refrigerators turned in new models in a recent survey. So life, that is 0 to 2 number of hours, it is 0 to 2, 2 to 4 up to 10 to 20 is in the number of hours base. Number of model A 5 to 4, the number of model B, that is 2 to 1. What is this model A, model B? So for this from here to here is one question, that is class intervals and frequency, and this class interval same for this frequency. So you need to solve the 2 times now. What you have to solve? The question is like this here now. What is the average life of each model of these refrigerators? So you need to find average means arithmetic mean. Which model is uniformity? Which form the model is uniformity means you need to find the CV, right? So I think I said that reliability in theory class, if you see the theory objectives or properties, reliability or variation or uniformity or these are the question. For these questions, what you have to find for all these three, you need to find CV, right? So what you have to find for all these items, you need to find CV, right? So if you find the CV, then you will get the answer of these things. If they are asking you uniformity, greater variation or reliability, what you have to find? CV. Clear? So you remember these three words. Otherwise, I think I given you in theory, which class? Theory of standard deviation, properties or objectives, right? So move to the solution now. First I will take the only which one? Model 1. So I will take the first only model 1. So once the model 1 is over, then we will go for the model 2. So this was the answer of model 1 now. So model 1, I think I taken all the classes here, and model A frequency is here. See, now the midpoint, how to find the midpoint? 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 1, 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 2 is 3, like that. 2 difference is there in between. You increase the two numbers here from first to last. Then what is the D? So I think all you know that D equal to M minus smallest number. Smallest number is which one here? Smallest number in the question is M is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then lastly 11 minus 1 is 10. So D comes now. What is D dash? D dash equal to what? D, all these D number divided by what? 2. Why it is 2? Difference of the each class is 2 is there. So D divided by 2. All these D number divided by 2. So 0 by 2 is 0. 2 by 2 is what? 1. Then 4 by 2 is what? 2. Same. 6 by 2, 3. 8 by 2, 4. 10 by 2 is 5. What is F D dash? F here is the D dash is here. So multiply F into D dash 0. 16 into 1, 16, like that. 13 into 2, how much? 13 into 2, 20, 26. Same type. If you refer the now, 13 into 2, then 7 into 3, 21, right? Next, you do 5 into 4, 20. Then 4 into 5, 20. Clear? So this was the answer for that. So we need to find the total of this number, and we need the total of frequency also. Frequency total also we need. Now we need to find the FD dash square. What is FD dash square? D dash into FD dash, like this. D 0 into 0. How much? 0 only. Then 16 into 1. This 16 into 1 is 16. Then 2 into 26, 52. Then 3 into 21, 63. Like that you continue. So you will get 5 into 20 is 100. So we need the total of which one? This one total. So 311 comes. Then we need one more information, that is FM for mean purpose. So F into M, 5 into 1. So equal to 5 into 1. So we will get 5. Clear? So 5 into 1, 5. So we need to find now 5 into 5. 1, like that you find the remaining now. So 5 into 5, next 16 into 3, how much? 48. So like that you continue. 4 into 44 is 44. So we need the total of this one is 256. I hope that these entire things are clear. Now we need to apply the one by one formula. First I will apply mean formula. Which formula? I will apply mean formula. What is mean? Arithmetic mean equal to, what is the arithmetic mean formula? Arithmetic mean equal to summation of Fm by n. How much summation of Fm here is? 256. 256 divided by, what is n? N is 50 here, 50. So answer is 256 divided by 50 is 51.2 is the answer of your mean. So I need to apply, we need to apply now which formula? Standard deviation. Now I think standard deviation formula is here. This was your standard deviation formula. So apply the standard deviation formula now. Standard deviation, right? So standard deviation equal to, right? So root of, what you have to apply? Root of. See the value here now, formula. So I will show the one by one now. What is ft dash square here? Ft dash square. See, ft dash square is here total how much? 311 divided by n means what? N is 50 minus n is there minus, and 103 is what? 103 is fd dash divided by n, then it's a whole square, right, under the root into c means 2, that is 10 12 example between all these two number is there, so into 2 is a c. Now you solve down. 311 divided by 50 is 6.22. 103 divided by 50, whatever the value comes into equal to button you press, then you will get the square of that one. Now after this you apply the square root. So square root is here now. So your square root number is this one, root of this number, and you have to multiply into 2 is common, that is I think I left here into 2. Clear? So 6.22 minus 4.24, you remove the difference, make the difference of these two and remove this root, then you will get whatever the value comes for that you multiply 2. So your standard deviation is 2.81. So this was the solution of standard deviation in case of which one? Model A. Now we need to apply CV. CV in case of model A. So CV is here now. CV. The formula of CV is what? Very simple. Standard deviation divided by mean. Standard deviation is how much here? CV equal to, standard deviation is 2.81 divided by 5.12. 5.12 is the value. So what is the answer for that? So equal to 2.81 divided by 5.12 into 100 actually. So we will get this one. So here actually into 100 is there. So your answer is 54.83, right? So this was the answer of your which method? Model A up to CV, right? Up to CV your answer is this much. Clear? So this was the answer of CV for which method? Model A now. So now we'll go with the same type of model B now. Same type means what? You need to take the variable, that is life of number of hours x, and it's the frequency for B is this one, right? So I will show the model B now. Then we need to conclude this informative which company is there. Come on, see now the model B. So class intervals are same, the same class interval and the same frequency 2 to 1. So same frequency 2 to 1. How to find the midpoint? 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 1 is 3. Like that continue, 11. Clear? Now we need to go for the D. What is D? Once again same, m minus 1. Smallest number is 1. So you will get 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. 11 minus 10 is 1 is 10. Then what is D dash? D divided by 2. Again difference is 2. 0 by 2. 2 by 1, 2, 1. 4 by 2, 1. 6 by 2 is 3. 4 by 8 by 4, 2 is 4. 10 by 2 is 5. What is FT dash? 2 into D dash. 2 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. 12 into 2, 24. Sorry, 12 into 2, 24. 19 into 3, 57. Like that, 9 into 4, 36. 1 into 5, 5. FT dash square means these two multiply. 1 into 7, 7. 2 into 24, 48. 3 into 57, 171. 4 into 36, 144. 5 into 5 is 25. So total. And how to find the FM? 2 into 1, 2. 7 into 3, 21. 12 into 5, 60. 19 into 7, this one 9 into 9, 81, like that 1 into 11, 11. So these are the total. Now we need to apply the formula. The formulas are like this. First I have to apply mean now. What is mean? Arithmetic mean. All you know that arithmetic mean equal to what? Fm divided by n. Fm is how much here? 308. So 308 divided by n is 50. So apply 308 divided by 50. So what is the answer for that? 308 divided by 50. So answer is 6.16. 6.16 is the arithmetic mean. Now we need to apply this formula. See the standard deviation solution now. What is your ft dash square? See, ft dash square is 395 divided by 50. Ft dash 129 divided by 50 whole square, and out of the root c is 2 here now. So 395 by 50, 7.9, and 129 by 50 is 6.66 square. 129 by 50 and it's a square, so, right? So you will get what actually 6.66 and root into 2. So then you need to difference these two, remove the root and into 2, you will get what, how much? That answer is 2.22. This was mean, this was standard deviation, then coefficient of standard deviation is what? 2.22. Standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean is 6.16 into 100, you will get 36.03. Now, so we have both the answer now. So what actually they are asking you, what is the average life of the each model? See, the average life of the first model 5.12 and second model is how much? This one. So I will explain you arithmetic mean, right? So arithmetic mean for your analysis purpose, arithmetic mean A model, B model. So A model is how much? Arithmetic mean. So 5.12. So 5.12 for your answer purpose. And what is B here? 6.16. Then what is your coefficient of variation? Model A 54.88, 54.88, and model B is here 36.33, so 03. Now answer now. So answer is they are asking you to find which one. See, the question is what is the average life of each model? So average life of the each model is this one. You are right in the solution. Average life of each model. Average life of model A is 5.12 and model B is 6.16. Clear? Then the answer for first question, this was the first question answer. Now second question answer, right? So second question answer is like this. Second question is like this. What they are asking you, which model is uniformity, right? So I will explain you how to answer this one. So for reliability, remember, for reliability, if the question is reliability, which the variable is reliability? So less CV answer is more reliable. Remember answer, how to answer? For reliability, if they are asking less CV is more reliable, then more CV is more variation. What is uniformity? Same. If they are asking you variation, less CV, the variable is less the uniformity is more reliable, more uniformity. Clear? So you need to observe all these things, then you will get the answer. See, clear? So if the question is like this, I will show these are the questions, these are the answers for that. If they are asking the question, answer is, your answer must be in this way. These are the questions, normal questions I am saying, not for in this question. They may be asking the question like this, your answer must be like this, right? If they are asking reliable, which CV is less, that is more reliable. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿ ವಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಿ ವಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರು ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೋರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಲೆಸ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಯಾವುದು ಮೋರ್ ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಸ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಸಿ ವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಲಯಬಲ್, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತಿ ಸಿ ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವು, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದನಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ರಿಲಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಲೆಸ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಐತಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಇದೆ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್. ಲೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿ ವಿ ಇದೆ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿ ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರು? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು. But for this question they are asking you more uniformity. More uniformity means what? We need the, see, more uniformity means what? Less CV variable. Out of these two, less CV is this one. So you have to like the answer is model B is more uniformity as its CV is less compared to ಮಾಡಲ್ ಎ. ಮಾಡಲ್ ಎ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಬಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣದ ಸಿ ವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಯು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಐ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ in exam like this. So these are the 2 points. Without means you have to write what are the questions raised to you. This type of question raised to you. In this question they are asking this one. Maybe in another question maybe they are asking this one or this one. So total 3 questions are there, right? So you need to remember all the things. I think this question number 8 is clear to each one of you. If you have any doubts, just ask me your queries. Then I will assign you one question now. See the question number 9 now. This was assigned to you. 2 brands of types are tested with the following results. Life, that is number of hours, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, last 45 to 50. Brand X, brand Y, 8 to 9 and 6 to 0. 0 is the value. Find out the average life of each brand. Average life means what? You need to find the answer of arithmetic mean out of these two. Then you write the average life of the model brand X, brand Y, like this. Next, also find which brand shows greater variation. See, I said that here variation means what you have to write. You find the CV, which brand CV is more, coefficient of variation is more, that brand is says that greater variation. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಿ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಸಿ ವಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ based on the same this question number 8. I hope that you will solve this question. This type of question is most of the time they are asking in the exam, right? If you have any doubts still by solving this one, just you feel free to put the question to me. Thank you.